Alright, box 3 of the Donruss Champions. And as I mentioned in box 2, if you haven't watched it, then you don't know what I'm talking about. But these are a few of the cards that I pulled. Here's a dirty patch, got dirty streaks of Frankie Francisco. And another card that I pulled that's nice is a Sotogashi shoe card. And that's numbered out of 225. And a dual jersey, I think a jersey glove, or I think that's a glove of Brian Giles. So just some okay stuff that you can pull up out of there. And I'll get started with the third box. But there's nothing better than a logo or autograph. The two autographs I got was Clinton Goatee or somebody, and somebody else. Brandon Duckworth, silver. Here's the Sammy Sosa, silver. Brian Jordan jersey card. Let me put the entertainment back on. Brought to you by the Hobby Box, Chris. And I appreciate that. Here is Jason Veritek red, number 29 of 250. And I didn't mention there's 24 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. Nice Gil Hodges bat card. Get in the picture there. And that's unnumbered. And now here the trick-or-treaters out there. I don't celebrate Halloween, so Eric Chavez, silver. Chavez, however you say it. However you want to pronounce it. Here's Frankie Francisco, and that's what I had earlier. The dirty patch, but this one not dirty, so that's that. Silver of Bobby Higginson. Eno Slaughter, first card there on top. Here's a blue parallel of Tommy John. And that's number 20 of 100. Blue parallel. Come on with the mojo. Alright, Chipper Jones. Red parallel, number 95 of 250. Here is Ryan Wing, silver parallel, and a Chris Snelling bat card. I feel a button coming on. That's what I feel, a button. Here's a Reggie Sanders, silver. Parallel. Autograph. J.J. Putz autograph card. I had to get the what the numbers are. The print run. Some of them have print run, some of them don't. Silver of Melvin Mora. And a jersey card of Adris Galarraga, Black. That's nice. Unnumbered. Red parallel of Frankie Francisco, number 54 of 250. Should have a good 3 more hits left. Should. Here's a blue parallel of Marlon Byrd, and that is number 14 of 100. And somewhere around 2 more numbered cards. Somewhere around that number. Here's silver of Paul Molitor. They make it hard to complete these insert sets. Mainly even with the silver parallel. One just about every pack, and they give you doubles. Still get dupes. Here's the Ivan Rodriguez silver parallel. And Cliff Floyd bat card protruding there, unnumbered. A red parallel of Keith Hernandez. I have the black parallel, number 5, but this is number 64 of 250. Silver parallel of Jim Edmonds. Actually, this may be gold. Yeah, gold. Number 47 of 50. Silver parallel of A.J. Burnett. Three packs left, including this one in my hand. Here's a bat card of Carlos Beltran. Chris still got a half an hour to go on his video. Here's the Bong-Hun Kim silver parallel. I guess that's how you say his name. I have no idea. Final pack. Is Freddie Sanchez silver parallel. Alright, that's it for box number 3. Look forward to the other ones.